What's up, everybody? This is Future Arty. I didn't do an intro before we did this little adventure, but here is your intro. We're at Wits End Campground up here in New Hampshire, like off of like Ossipee, and we're planning on doing a little rafting today, and checking out, just rafting on the river, getting in, then it leads into the lake, and we're going there. I'm in a raft. I'll let you know how that goes. It didn't go very well. But everyone else was in a kayak and a canoe. That seemed to be better, so we'll learn our lesson. There's 84 Mobile. Sounds like they're from the beach in Florida.